Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MintPay app. First, download the MintPay app from your device's app store, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and create your account using your email address and phone number. Finally, link a valid debit or credit card to your profile. This card will be used for all your future MintPay transactions, making your shopping experience smooth and easy. Using MintPay is simple when you shop at any of their many partner stores, both online and in person. When you're ready to pay, simply choose MintPay as your payment method at checkout. Your total purchase amount will then be conveniently split into 4 equal, interest-free installments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments are scheduled automatically every 2 weeks. Managing your MintPay payments is incredibly straightforward through the app. You can easily view your complete payment schedule, including upcoming due dates and amounts, at any time. MintPay automatically deducts your scheduled payments from your linked card every 2 weeks, ensuring you never miss a due date. Plus, if you wish to pay off your balance sooner, you have the flexibility to make early payments without incurring any additional fees. MintPay offers fantastic benefits, primarily allowing you to enjoy your purchases immediately while spreading the cost over 4 interest-free installments. Remember, MintPay typically offers a spending limit, which can increase with responsible use. A smart tip is to always ensure funds are available for your automatic payments. Paying on time helps maintain a good standing and ensures continued access to this convenient service for future shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.